Hello children, how are you? Fine? Very fine I think. After enjoying so many holidays in the lockdown, welcome to the new session 2020-2021. So here I am going to teach you subject maths. And the first lesson in your maths book is lesson integers. Okay? And I think you are my new batch to whom I am going to teach maths. So children, let us see the first lesson, integers, which is in your textbook. Let us start with your first lesson, that is integers. Children, you know very well the whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the number which starts from 0 and so on is called as whole numbers. Now you know 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called positive integers. As you can see, all the numbers are positive. Here -1, -2, -3 and so on are called negative integers, as there is a negative sign. Negative means minus, positive means plus. You know beta, the number 0 is simply an integer, means it is neither positive nor negative. Means 0 जो है वो ना तो negative है और ना ही positive है. It simply is an integer. Okay. Now let us represent the integers on a number line. First we draw a line. At the center you have to always take 0. On right side you will write positive numbers. And on left side you have to write negative numbers. This you have to remember always. To write an integer on a number line, in the center you have to take 0. On right side always you will take positive integers. And on left side you have to always take negative integers. Okay. Now let us see our first topic, how to add the integers. Now before starting addition or subtraction of integers, first you must know the rules of signs for addition and subtraction. Remember, if one is positive, one number is positive and one number is negative, so you have to always subtract. You will always subtract and you have to put greater number sign. As you can see, here the greater number is 7 and its sign is negative, so you have to put negative. Now see second example, I have written 6 minus 2. Again you can see 6 is positive. If there is no sign, it means what is there? Plus. So 6 positive and 2 is negative. So you know 6 minus 2 is what? 4. And as 6 is greater number, its sign is what? Plus. So we have written 4. Or simply you know 6 minus 2 is what? 4. Now if both the numbers are negative, you can see here 2 is negative and 3 is also negative. So in that case, you have to always add the numbers. Add the numbers when both are negative. So 2 plus 3 is what? 5. And you have to put common sign. Common means same sign. As here is minus, here minus. So in answer also minus. Now let us start with addition of integers. Suppose my question is add 15 and minus 7. Now you can see, first always you have to write whatever you have to add or subtract, that always in the first step you will write both the numbers by taking bracket. So I have taken bracket 15. As you have to add according to the heading, so you will put here plus sign. You will write second integer and now you have to open the bracket, or you can say remove the bracket. Now remember beta, before the bracket if there is plus, sign will remain as it is. So this 15 will be as it is. Now you can see before this bracket also plus. So this minus 7 will be as it is. Means there will be no change in the sign of the numbers if you are adding. So 15 minus 7. You know 15 minus 7 is what? 8. Now let us see one more example. Suppose you have to add minus 4 minus 7. Now as I have written that you have to add, so first you will take minus 4 in bracket, then you will put plus sign, then here you will write minus 7. Now you have to remove the bracket. You can see before the bracket there is plus, so there will be no change in this number, so it will be minus 4. Again here is plus, so it will be minus 7. Now you know, see here, if both are negative, you have to always add, and you will put common sign. As here common sign is what? Minus, so you will put minus. So you have to add first 4 and 7. 4 plus 7 is what? 11. Here minus, and here also minus. Okay, got it? Thank you. Now children, see how to subtract the integers. First let us confirm the signs. Note that. Now see here I have taken some examples. 2 minus of minus 4. Remember children, if before the bracket there is minus sign, then the number which is inside the bracket, its sign will always change. So minus into minus become plus. So this 2 will remain as it is. This minus become plus 4. We use the sign which is changed now. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now see second one. Here before the bracket what is there? Plus. So this sign will never change. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now here again before the bracket what is there? Plus. Now if the sign before the bracket is plus, then inside sign will remain as it is. So after simplifying what you will get? 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Now let us see some examples based on subtraction. Now children, read the question carefully. You have to subtract 32 from minus 56. 32 from minus 56. So the number which is after from, that we take first, and always in the first step you have to take the numbers in the bracket. So minus 56, as we have to subtract, we put minus sign, and whatever you have to subtract, that number we will write. Now next step, you have to remove the bracket. So before this bracket there is plus, so this will remain as it is. Before this bracket there is minus, so this plus become minus 32. Now you know, when both the numbers are negative, you have to add, and we put common sign, means same sign. As here minus minus, so here also minus. Now let us see this example. The question is, subtract minus 9 from minus 12. In the same way, in the first step you have to take the numbers in the bracket. As the question is subtract minus 9 from minus 12, so first you will take minus 12, the number which is after from written. So minus 12 minus, this is the heading, this minus is of heading. From this you have to subtract minus 9. Now simplify the brackets, remove the bracket, this will be minus 12, minus into minus, it become plus. And now you know children, when one negative, one positive, you have to subtract and put greater number sign. Now let us see few more examples based on subtraction. Now see this example. My question is, subtract the sum of these two integers from minus 92. So according to question, first we write the first step according to the question. What the question says, from minus 92, you have to subtract the sum of these two integers. So according to question, your first step will be from minus 92. So take bracket and write minus 92. Now as you have to subtract, so we take subtraction sign. Now what you have to subtract? The sum of these two integers. So between these two numbers you have to take plus sign. Now remove the brackets. This will be minus 92. Minus will remain as it is. First we simplify the brackets. So before this bracket here it is plus. This minus 524 plus 678. Now simplify minus 92 as it is. This minus also as it is. Now you have to simplify these two. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So what you got? 154 and greater number sign. Now simplify this bracket. Minus 92. Before this bracket minus is here. So this plus become minus. So now you simplify both the numbers. Both are negative. So you have to add and put minus sign. Okay. Now children, this one sum I am giving you homework, means only the first step I have written. Let me explain you. Now the question is, subtract minus 341 from the sum of 83 and minus 56. From, after from what return? The sum of 83 and minus 56. So you will take that only. So first we write sum of 83 and minus 56. From this you subtract what? Minus 341. So you remove the bracket. The next remaining steps you have to write. I hope you understand how to add and subtract the integers. Thank you.